All right, so the next several videos are going to cover basic arithmetic for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as the order in which you conduct those operations. This is building up the foundation for more complex math later. All right, so starting with addition, when we add numbers together, the resultant is what we call the sum, and the numbers we add are called the addends. We also use the symbol, the plus symbol. We could also use the number line to help visualize the addition. So for instance, if we have a number line, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want to add 2 plus 3, we can start at the number 2, because that's the first number that we have, and we want to add 3 to that. So we start here, we go over 1, 2, 3 numbers, and now we are at the number 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Just another way to visualize. Now, addition comes with a couple of laws. First one is commutative law. Commutative law. And this basically says you could add in any order that you desire. So if we add 5 plus 3, that equals 8. At the same time, if we change up the order and we do 3 plus 5, well, that still equals 8. It doesn't change anything for addition in the order that you add the addends. The next law is called the associative law, and this basically says that when you're adding multiple numbers, you can group them and do them in any order that you want. So for instance, if we have 3 plus 5 plus 7, we can start by adding the 3 and the 5 together first, which is going to be 8. Then we add the 7 and we get 15. At the same time, we could do 3 plus 5 plus 7. We could do the 5 and the 7 first, which would be, make it 3 plus 12, which then become 15 as well. So it doesn't matter which way you group them together. The 3 and the 5 are associated together, and the 5 and the 7 are associated together in the second example. But either way, you get the same result. So those are the two laws for addition. Now, when you're multiplying multiple multi-digit numbers, the best way to do it is to organize it into columns and work your way from the units towards the left. For instance, if we're going to add 345 plus 25 plus 1458 plus 6, right? We want to organize this in a column. So we'll write 345, 25, 1, 4, 5, 8, and 6. Notice that all of the units are lined up, all the tens are lined up, all the hundreds are lined up, and then thousands are lined up. And we're going to just start with the unit side and work our way left. So we'll do 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. That is going to be equal to 24. So we write the unit 4 down on the this is where the answer is going to go. And then we'll bring the 2 up here to add it with the other 10. So that's called carrying over. Then we'll do 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5, which is 13. So we write the 3 and we carry over the 1. We do 3 plus 1 plus 4 is going to be 8. And there's just nothing to carry over because it's just single digit. And then finally, the thousandths, there's just the 1. So we'll bring that down because it's not being added to anything. So our ultimate answer is 1,834. And this is what we call our sum. Next, we'll get into subtraction and look at their methods and laws as well.